Hello guys, you are watching my channel Drawing with Fun. Today we are going to draw something interesting. Let's start now. Nice going. Perfect. Do you guess what are we drawing today? Who am I? Guess. Who am I? Don't give up. You can do it. Yes, you are right. I am the lion, the king of the jungle. Superb! Now, let's share some amazing facts about lion. Lions are the second largest big cat species worldwide. They live in groups called prides. Female lions called lionesses do most of the hunting. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lions rest for up to 20 hours a day. Cubs are born with spots that fade over time. Only male lions typically have manes. The male lion's mane grows as it ages. Lions mainly eat large animals like zebra and wild beasts. Lion's lifespan is about 20 to 14 years in the wild. Do you know where lions are found? Lions are found in sub-Sahara Africa and a small population in India. So, tell me, how did you feel knowing about lion? Did you like it? Alright, we get back on track. You are awesome! Enjoy the moment. Great. Good job. Now let's start coloring. So pretty. I am impressed. It's wonderful. Wow! Wow! Look, we are having fun. This picture looks beautiful. Excellent job saying how you feel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you on